All right, today we're breaking down Penpot. Let's see if we can get more users for Penpot. Right? Is this the platform? I feel like they can do a better job here. You know, the banner is like just a lot of real estate, visual real estate, and you can do a lot to kind of set the context. Let's see what it is. Logo's nice. It's pencils. That's my first thing. Like it's supposed to be pens, and it's like pens, pencils. So it's like pencil pot. So let's check it out. Penpot is the first free open source design tool for design and code collaboration. I don't know if the 4 is doing much here because I feel like just Penpot is the free open source design tool. Is the first free open source design tool. No handoff, maybe built for collaboration instead of design and code collaboration. Built for collaboration, no handoff drama, open standards, CSS and SVG, design as code. Maybe even the design as codes here. Yeah, the copy is not that great. You kind of get what it is. It's a design tool. That's kind of all I get from here that leverages CSS and SVG. That's kind of the three things is design tool, collaboration, and CSS and SVG. And I feel like that's cool. Let's see what they're doing in their social media. We are open source and always listen to our community. So I wanted to ask you, what is it that you miss the most in Penpal that prevents you from making the switch? Also, this doesn't make sense. How are you missing anything? What is it that you miss the most in Penpal? This sounds like missing, like I miss you, that kind of miss. I know what you're trying to say, but maybe it can be said better here. And I don't believe the community thing because I guess there is. Hey everyone, native design token implementation, probably yes, native and real design tokens. What does this have to do with Penpot? I would do more user stuff created by Penpot or something like that. Happy Penpot user, don't buy into the hype easily. Yeah, you know, it's working. They could do much better here. Like the design, humors, big like this client expectation, client budget kind of jokes and stuff like that. You guys don't know these memes. Client expectation, client budget. These are some of the funny stuff. Like this is one. This is my favorite. This one. It's so funny. Well, yeah, stuff like that. Like very designy. Like you want to like some dude pitched it. Like the way I found out about this was it was like a free Photoshop. Let's see that. Okay. Design and code beautiful products together. Okay, Penpot is the web-based open source design tool that bridges the gap between designers and developers. Okay. So it's like a Figma or something. Goodbye, lost in translation, hand of Dawn. Right? What's the play for? Design and code beautiful products together. Penpot is the web-based open source design tool that bridges the gap between designers and developers. Okay, you can self-host it, sign up free. This is a good kind of it shows that okay, they're the grid and the whole thing. Goodbye lost in translation and hand of time. When designers and developers use different tools. Collaboration suffers. Designer vision gets lost. Frustration sets in. Okay. With Penpot, designers know their interfaces are already expressed as code. Ship scale design faster. Okay, so it's a visual designer that exports as SVG and CSS. Is that what you're trying to say? Because that should be upfront. That says exactly what it does. And like here you're trying to solve for the problem and try to explain the problem where when you hit the landing page you should be already problem aware on the whole thing. So I would lean into how it exports it, what kind of standards, flexible layouts, design system, and custom fonts, prototyping, interactive flows. Okay, feedback and share all stakeholders. Code and specs, see design features. Oh, yeah, for a design thing, it could be better designed, to be honest. Design and code collaboration for real. Penpot Express designs natively as CSS, SVG, and HTML. This is the biggest selling point here. It's a visual designer that you can export as CSS, SVG, and HTML. And then show the visual designer. Design code collaboration. Yeah, what's the pricing? Free. Choose your preferred hosting region, premium support. You should put the prices. Why? I get it that it's open source, but you still want to make money. You want to make it so that you can you can attract developers and people who want, even if you do like a compensation plan for contributors, like you can supercharge, like use the power of money. Yeah. Self-host integration API. Yeah. I would lean into showing the platform because I don't know what the platform looks like. This is kind of the only place where I do see the platform. It looks like the Webflow platform, which is good. People are already familiar with that, and I would show like walk people through the platform. This is Penpot. Boom, play. This is how we can create our homepage with Penpot, and then walk them through how you created this with Penpot. And people can see the whole thing and be like, "Oh yeah, cool." That's how easy it is to work. Like, show. This is the thing. You're saying a lot, and you're showing not much. I hope this was helpful, and I appreciate you the open source aspect of that. Like, definitely can favor that, but I think there's a lot of potential here.